Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So what I got for you guys today is an American influencer beauty bundle unboxing. This is literally one of my favorite subscription services. I love this subscription service. Like, I'm so obsessed with it. All right, so in this subscription service, they usually pair up with an influencer or a beauty brand to put together several products for you. And they used to be like a seasonal box, and now they're a monthly box. I just love them, guys. I absolutely love them. All right, so this month they decided to pair up with the brand Well People, which I'm actually super excited about because, as you guys know, I tried their mascara not too long ago on a Mascara Monday and I liked it. So now I want to try other products. All right, so first thing in here, which is huge, is a Juice Cleanse face cleanser. Oh my God, I love it. This retails for $18 and I'm super excited. I can't wait. I cannot wait to try this. I love face cleansers. I hate having a lot, but this one I definitely want to keep and try. I'm super excited about this. Ooh, I can't wait. Oh my God, and the bottle is like, it's glass. Like, this is not plastic, it's glass. Wow, nice. It's very heavy. The packaging I love because it's like super sleek and, you know. Next thing in here is their Renewal Charcoal Exfoliating Powder. This retails for $18. It says renew and soften your complexion with this water-activated power exfoliator. So this is something to use like once a week. Same thing with the packaging. Very heavy, and this is a clean brand. Like, it's vegan and all of that stuff. So this is awesome, cruelty free as well. Next thing in here is an eye gel cream. Super excited. Snow Mushroom Eye Gel Cream, and this retails for $18. It says it is a gel-based eye cream that targets fine lines and dullness to promote a radiant, bright-eyed glow. So excited to try all of this stuff. And I did get some stuff from Ulta. I think I got their sunscreen or their tinted moisturizer and something else to try. So I'm super excited. All right, I got a hydrating balm in the color Spiced. Oh no, I got the color Delicate Pink. And this is $15. Look how pretty this is. That is so up my alley. Like, these are the colors, you guys know me. These are the colors that I love. So that's what that looks like. It's a lip balm, so of course it's like sheer. Next thing in here is a loose super powder. It's a brightening powder, like a translucent powder. This retails for $20. I need to start using powders. Like, I have 3 there that I don't, because I hardly set my makeup, guys. I don't know why, but I don't ever do it. So it's just like your typical translucent powder packaging. And last but not least, we got a Supernatural Stick Multi-Use Blush. And this is in the color Berry. And this retails for $22. Look how cute this is. Perfect for traveling. This looks like a beautiful color. Oh yeah. Love that. Look at that. All right, guys. I'm excited to try all of this stuff. I will be trying whatever I can tonight when I get all this makeup off and I use my cleanser, and I can use the eye cream. I could even use the exfoliator. So I'm super excited about that. And I will let you guys know what I think. All right, my loves, have you tried this brand? Let me know if you guys have tried them. So far, I've only tried the mascara and I did really like it. I'm going to be trying, like I told you, all this stuff plus their tinted moisturizer. And I think it was a concealer. I'm not exactly sure, but I got 2 products, I believe, from them from Ulta. And I'll let you guys know what I think. And yeah, my loves, that's it for this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, my loves.